Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and in this video I'm going to show how to create a mobile application with QR code generator. I will use Appery mobile platform and their new editor Ionic 4. First, let's create new application with name QR code app. For QR code generation, we will use AngularX QR code library, which is available on GitHub, and here we can read information how to add this library into our project. First, what we have to do: install library using npm. For that, we have to copy library name and then specify in app setting on npm modules tab that this library should be installed. Also, it is recommended to specify the particular version which is used in your application. Now let's add all other stuff. First, let's add import. For that, let's copy the string, then open screen 1 module and add this string as include, and also let's copy module which we are going to import in import section. Then let's create UI for our application. First, let's add HTML component, since we will use custom Angular component. Let's copy example, this one, press edit, HTML property, and paste this data. As you saw, the height and width of QR code is 256 pixels, so let's customize our HTML component to specify 256 pixel width and 256 pixel heights, and also let's change the background color to gray. So let's test our application. Application is ready, and now on the screen we see the generated QR code. Now let's a little bit customize our application. Came back to our design time and create variable with name value. By default, the value will be, for example, test. Then let's update HTML code of our component. So here, instead of predefined value, we will use variable value. And also let's add input component and specify ngModel property also as value, and also let's change the label text to QR code. So that's it. Let's test application again. Application is ready, and now let's change the value of our input field. So as you see, when value is changed, the QR code also is regenerated. That is all what I want to show in this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. By the way, the backup of this application also will be available by the link in the description.